Alright, this is the new microwave. This is the unboxing video for the Proctor Silex durable microwave. This is the 0.07 cubic feet capacity, 700 watt, 10 power levels, 6 auto cook settings, speed and weight defrost, kitchen timer function. This is the cheapest microwave that Kmart sells, basically. Because ours blew up, and you know how it blew up? Because it went and that was kind of interesting. Big flash, you know. This is made in China. All right. Just telling you, you know. And yeah, so I just got the cheapest one they make. This one was $70 list. I don't know, it was 10% off or something like that for some reason, maybe because it's close to Christmas. I don't know. All I know is you need a microwave. Not getting fancy, I'm just buying a microwave. So here, we're going to unbox this for you so you know what to expect when you buy yours. Kids can play with that. Styrofoam. Alright, let's see. Now how are we going to do this? I'm sure there's a glass tray inside here. I really don't want to break the tray. So I'm trying to lift this out without breaking anything. Nope, yeah, we'll just slide it out. There we go. Slide it out. Okay. It is wrapped in plastic. Comes right off. Tissue paper. Open that sucker up. Ah, nice. Okay, so the glass tray is actually not just laying in there, but had a little bit of styrofoam around it, keep it from moving around too much. Got your instructions, and it looks like you got some tape on your little merry-go-round thingy, which is not a ring this time, but 3 prongs. That's kind of interesting. Most of them are rings. Put that in there. This one has a light too, apparently. Here's your little keyboard over here. Let's take a look at the keyboard. Let's see if I can turn that into the light. There you go, so you can see it. A little better. Okay, there you go. That's pretty good. So they were talking about these auto settings. There's 6 of them. So baked potato, popcorn, pizza, beverage, just like tea or hot chocolate, frozen dinner, and reheat. Alright, this is glass. No, it's not. Is that glass? No, that's plexiglass. This is glass. And yeah, so here, let's see what size plate I can put in here. I'll get a regular size dinner plate. This was the one question that I had when deciding whether to buy the smallest one. So this is your typical Fiesta ware size dinner plate. Here, let me get a tape measure. Alright. There you go. That's an 11-inch plate. See that? 11 inches. And that just barely fits in there. Just barely. Okay, so if you got a 12-inch plate, you're out of luck. You got 11 1/4 inch plate, you're out of luck. So that was a 10-inch plate, and it fits with the door shutting. This tray is 9 3/4. This plate's 9 3/4 inches. The one that comes with it, the one that revolves on the track. And so here you go. Your depth is about 11 inches. Your width is about 12. Your height, you're not roasting any turkeys in this sucker, that's for sure, is about 7. So there you go. Depth is 11. width is 12, and height is 7 inches. Those are probably the most important things that you need to know about this. It's only 700 watts, so this is not going to, like, you know, it's not going to be fast. But it's cheap, and, you know, that's all you get. So that's what you get. So there's your unboxing video for the Proctor Silex 700 watt microwave. So the product number here looks like it's PS P70B20APA3. So I'll give you a little shot of that. So here's all your detailed information there. Here's some information on the product tag. I don't know if any of that's going to be necessary for you, but that's that. All right. Well, I hope this unboxing video helped you guys, and I hope it saves you from making a purchase that you don't need or don't want. 70 bucks microwave. All right. Have a great day. See you later. Oh, don't forget to subscribe.